Ever feel trapped by a Docusign contract that's just not right? Don't worry, we'll show you how to regain control in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Docusign account. Navigate to the Manage tab and locate the specific contract you need to address. If it's still in progress, meaning not all parties have signed, you can easily correct it. Simply click the Correct button. This allows you to modify recipient information, add or remove documents, or adjust fields within the contract. Remember to carefully review all changes before sending it for signature. However, if the contract has already been completed, meaning everyone has signed, correction is no longer an option in this case. You'll need to void the contract. To do this, select More, then Void. Docusign will prompt you to enter a reason for voiding. Be clear and concise in your explanation. This creates an audit trail and maintains transparency. Once you've entered the reason, click Void. A notification will be sent to all parties informing them that the contract is no longer valid. Voiding ensures that the incorrect or outdated document is officially nullified, and that's it. You've successfully addressed a contract issue in Docusign. Subscribe for more Docusign tips and tricks to master your document management.